Friends?
Friends? Don't lie!
You really thought we were friends? I'm afraid not. I could care less.
About the dress, I won't partake in any
Do
cake.
you have any idea how many of you there are in the vast multiverse? Countless, endless versions of you.
Have you ever been walking down the street with your best bro, and while you're walking you accidentally touch hands? You think to yourself, that was weird, but I'm not gay. You are. You are gay. According to the new legal definition of gay enacted by President Chuck Norris, you are gay. Also, if you inadvertently make eye contact with another dude at a bar, you're gay. And if you walk in on your friend taking a dump,